Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and today I'm doing something that a lot of you guys are going to be like, what? That exists? Yeah, I'm doing that. Today we are trying the Scrapple Tacos here at the Anglesea Pub in North Wildwood. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. So for those who don't know, the Anglesea actually does brunch from 10 o'clock in the morning until about 1 o'clock. And one of the things they've been pretty much promoting, which has only been for a week now, is a Scrapple Taco. Now, obviously, if you're not from the area, you have no idea what Scrapple is, and it's pretty much, it sounds disgusting, and I mean, at the end of the day, if you think about it, it is. It's all the leftovers from the actual pork itself mushed together with a little bit of wheat and then fried. Some people like it thin, some people like it thick. I like it thin. But over here at the Anglesea Pub, they are now making it as a trio. So you get 3 tacos, you get an egg with it, you get avocado, you get scrapple, and I kind of wanted to try it because I made an article about it, and you guys absolutely loved it and shared it like crazy. So in the comment section, you're like, hey Joey, you gotta try it, So that's what we're doing now. Let's go inside. So on Sunday mornings, they only do the brunch menu until 1. It actually turns out it's 11, but we came here at 10, so they said online 10. This is 11. Let me share with you the menu. So we have the pub traditional, which is Canadian bacon for eggs Benedict, avocado crab cake, eggs Benedict. That sounds amazing. We got some really awesome options here, but this is what we're here for. Scrapple tacos, pico de gallo, avocado, chipotle, oh my gosh, chipotle aioli, and crispy scrapple. I'm excited for that, guys. All right, everyone, it just arrived, and before I even eat it, I have to admit, the presentation of this is actually really cool. Let me show you. That's right, folks. Look how massive these things are, right? You can see the egg. It's got lettuce on there, avocado. There's tomato in there. There's a chipotle aioli. And I don't even know, it actually came with a side of potatoes, but there's so much food here. I don't even know if I'm going to even eat the potatoes. This looks really good. It's very thin and crispy. Chris actually started eating some already. How is it, Chris?
It's excellent. Highly recommend.
All right, let's give this a try, everyone. I'm gonna get a bite of them all together at once. So. Oh my God. This is really good. The chipotle sauce, it's like it's hot, but with the mixture of the pork roll, it's really good. But the avocado also kind of makes it like smoother. Like it's not as hot. You guys look inside. You can see everything kind of mushed in there. It's perfect. And the scrapple itself, while it looks like a little thicker cut, but it's actually really thin inside, making it extra crispy. I mean, altogether, this is fantastic. So let me go ahead and take apart one of these tacos so you can actually see what's inside of it. Here we go. So over here on the left, you've got, it looks like 2 eggs. This right here is that chipotle aioli sauce. The scrapple, once again, extremely crispy. Got your avocado, a little bit of tomato, and lettuce. I mean, who would have thought that something this simple? I mean, I kind of wish I came up with this idea. But only here they have this. Well, folks, I have to admit, there is so much food here, I cannot finish it. There is so much stuff packed into this tiny little taco. Look, there's a lot in here. And then on top of that, they have the home fries, and I can't even touch them too. I mean, at least in here you can see more of what they put in there. There is just a ton of stuff. You can actually make this at home. I don't know, that sauce, the chipotle sauce is really good. Really spicy. So folks, my official review. I've never had this before. I don't think this exists anywhere else in the entire world. But I've never done a review before, so I'm gonna say a 10 out of 10. This is absolutely amazing. The flavor of the chipotle sauce mixed in with the avocado and the crispiness of the scrapple, it creates this fusion in your mouth that is unbelievable. Now, if you want to try this for yourself, they only do this on Sundays doing brunch. So you have to come, and like right now we're here, it's a Sunday. I mean, right now it's the beginning of June. Once summer picks up, and I'm sure after this video kind of blows up, they're going to be packed. I know she was suggesting, our waitress was suggesting that a lot of people come in here and they actually get this as an appetizer. So say if you come with a group of 3, everyone gets one of these tacos, and you can maybe get a couple more, and they try that and then have their meal. But to be honest with you, there is still so much food left on my plate. This whole thing here, I know, is still left on my plate because it's so much food. But I want to know, is this something you guys want to try? To me, you gotta try it, but some people don't like scrapple. I mean, considering that it really is just these scraps of pork thrown together with buckwheat and a couple other things. But once again, in the comment section, let me know, would you try this, or is this something that's a no-no for you? And for those who have not been to North Wildwood and have no idea about Anglesea Pub, it's on the corner of, it's actually right over here, this is First Avenue and New Jersey. This is actually one of the original pubs when this place was actually Anglesea, New Jersey. It was an old whaling / fishing village from like the late 1800s and early 1900s before this became North Wildwood, like 1915. So make sure you come here, you check it out, and I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up, and a special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com who support this channel and allow me to go out and do crazy fun things like this. You too can support this channel. All you have to do is click the link in the description below. There's a ton of behind the scenes videos and things, and on top of that, behind the scenes scripts that I put on there. So when you do subscribe, you get that, and you get your name at the end of the video. Anyway, I'm Joey, and as always, I'll see you guys on the beach, which is like heading like that way. And I'm a little burnt from yesterday, so I don't know how much time I'm gonna spend out there. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye.